Dribble, dribble, dribble. Pass number 1. And kapag narinig kayo salitang shoot that ball, kailangan nyo magbaunahan para pumakin ang mga lobo na yan dito sa may unahan. Oh, book. Hindi ba lang yung pinala? Nakawin mo si Daddy. Okay. Tapos ko lang natin.
Pati ngayon ha. Bawal pati ha.
Okay, ready? Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 3. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Pass number 6. Pass number 1. And shoot that ball. Okay, sample ka lang. Palaban. Okay, dahil dyan, mukhang ready na kayo. Kaya try na natin naroon ang ating shoot that ball. In 3, 2, 1. Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass number 4. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Pass number 6. Pass number 5. Pass number 2. And dribble, 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 dribble.